This is what's after the day. We had choyas and creosotes all over here where you couldn't hardly see the landscape for the creosotes. I guess they call them that here. Just like it is back there, they were all out here. I got that knocked down. Almost back to the line where he's talking about. There's a line back there by the little truck and the trailer that goes straight across to this side over here. A little more than 2 acres, but all this here has got to come out. All these creosotes here got to come out. So interesting. I'm trying to wait for Chris to get out here to see if we're going to need to look for a septic system. So anyhow, thanks for staying around. Slab underneath here.
This is where we ran into a concrete,
I don't know what this is.
slab, but it turned out to be just a watering
See that?
container.